Keith Colbert. Welcome to Casey's Kitchen. I'll be doing some recipes that's easy and fun and something that you and your guests will truly enjoy. Hi, welcome back to Casey's Kitchen. I'm Keith Colbert. This is Cameron.
Hi, how are you?
You know, he's up. We're enjoying the day.
Yeah, we are.
I told Cameron we're going to do pizza today, so, you know, we're going to do some excellent pizza I learned while I was in the Middle East.
Mm-hmm. Where were you at in the Middle East?
I was in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia.
Oh, Arabian Nights.
Oh, yes.
And days.
I'm telling you. But then toured the whole area. I was all over the place. I, you know, went into Dubai and Bahrain, Abu Dhabi. We was busting it all up, rolling in there like king. Actually played the intramural softball championship there for the Middle East.
That's cool.
It was a lot of fun. A lot of great guys over there. All the military boys we work with. Really appreciate them and all they do.
Yeah.
Oh, you were in the military too, right?
Yeah, I was in Iraq from 2005 to 2006.
Oh, that was exciting.
Yeah, it was.
Well, let's get back to making pizza.
Let's do it.
You know, we can talk stories as we go along.
Of course. So what do we got here? What
all right, listen, we got some naan bread.
Naan, okay.
All right, naan.
Yeah, spelled N-A-A-N.
That's right, it is spelled N-A-A-N.
All right.
So we're going to use that. We got some ingredients chopped up here. We got 3 colors of sweet peppers, some white onion. I got some fresh mozzarella I picked up at Costco yesterday and chopped it up. And then we got some shredded mozzarella. Then, of course, we've got a selection of sauces to go on it. Yes. You can make your own real quick. It doesn't take very long. Or you can use, you know, you want to, in a rush, you want to do a store-bought blend. This is some restaurant quality sauces that we picked up along our journeys. I think we got that stuff in Chicago. And if you like anchovies, got some anchovies there. So you, again, like these recipes are fun. You can use just about anything you want to go. Anything you would like on the pizza. Yeah. I was thinking earlier this morning as we're getting ready for this video, I said, well, you know, we could do some Korean things on there. Because, you know, here in Korea, pizza's a little different than what we're
of course. They use corn.
Yeah. They do use corn and sweet potatoes.
And sweet potatoes.
Unique combination. You know, I try to learn or teach my palate to understand that concept. So when you start cooking like that, you know, it makes you want to try different things and mix things into stuff.
It does.
But we're going to do a simple pizza, kind of European style, I guess, on American style. Certainly not Italian style, because their pizzas are completely different and delicious. I love them. So, you want to break some down and get ready?
Let's do it. Talk about that Parmesan Reggiano.
Oh my goodness. You tell about that.
All right.
I'll let you do that.
So, I learned about 9 months ago that I was using the wrong Parmesan cheese. So, Parmesan.
An imitation.
Imitation. It was fake.
Yeah.
It's fake Parmesan cheese.
Just imitation.
I learned that if your Parmesan cheese does not have this seal here, and it says protected designation of origin, then it's not real Parmesan cheese, because there's only one place in the world that makes it.
Another lesson today.
There it is.
Good job.
Anyway, thank you very much.
We're going to shred some of that up and put it on our pizza too?
I'd like to eat some with some wine too.
Oh my goodness. A little early
if we
today,
can.
But who knows? Could start out that way.
It could.
Nah, we're kidding. I think. Real Parmesan.
Give some to our director. See what she thinks.
Mine is mine. camera.
I don't like the way them olives look all clumped up like that.
Yeah, okay. Oh, that adds a little.
Yeah.
Big deal. We'll pop these bad boys in the oven,
Okay.
and then we'll enjoy some pizza in just a few minutes.
How long do they got to be in there?
It won't take long because the bread's already done. So really what we're going to do is heat the sauce, kind of melt the cheese down on it, get a little, maybe a couple little blisters on there and pop that bad boy out.
So you'll know when it's done.
Absolutely.
All right. Perfect. Wow.
We did it. You make one, I'll make one, and I think Blackie will even join us and pick one which is best.
So another competition.
She's kind of leans towards me though. I don't understand it.
Another competition. Okay.
All right. Now you can put whatever you want, so I'll put what I like. So
we can just go for
yeah,
it.
it's your pizza. Oh, I'm sorry. Did I bump you?
No.
You gotta.
It's okay just to use our hands like this?
Yeah, I think so. I washed mine. Did you wash yours?
I did.
Oh, okay.
I did. Kind of a neat freak.
Twice actually. Once last week and the week before. No, I'm kidding. Want some anchovies?
Sure. I'll roll with some anchovies.
Yeah.
I'm not afraid of that.
No. Okay. Well, they add a lot of salt to it, and many of our Korean friends, they don't like all that salt, but me personally, I like a good anchovy on there. And these are in oil.
I just feel bad about sticking my hand in this cheese. I'm gonna try the block cheese. You guys think this is too much?
Yeah, I think that's too much. You're going to be all over the place.
Oh, that's good.
Oh, so you don't mind using the spoon after you lick it? Yeah, right. Okay.
Good point.
I see your logic on that.
Throwing stones. Throwing stones.
You want one?
Sure, yeah.
Or you want me to touch it with my fingers?
Get in there and pull it up. It almost looks like sardines.
Here, do what you want with it. This is Cameron. It's time to taste some pizza, right?
Please.
It looks great.
It
smells
does.
good.
It smells good.
I'm starving.
Yeah, me too. The aromas filled the air.
Yeah. So, probably something. Let's try it. See what it tastes like.
Can we go for it?
Oh yeah, it's nice. Nice and kind of have that. What do you think about that?
That is amazing. With that naan bread, oh,
It's it perfect, doesn't it?
it's perfect.
Man.
Your guests will truly enjoy this one.
That's what I say. I think you ought to try another piece.
I will. I eat a little bit slower, so.
Okay. Blackie. Cut. What we're going to do is slice it up, put a plate for Blackie, and run the same contest we did at the other video, and see which way she rolls this time.
I think we should up the ante on this a little bit more.
Ante-upping time.
So, what do I get if I win?
Oh no! I understand where he's going. We'll think about that.
All right. Well, maybe we'll. Okay.
I don't think we ought to share that with the audience, but
All right. Sounds good.
just wanted to note one thing. This is extremely pet friendly. There are no onions in there, so dog's not supposed to have onions. So I didn't put any onions in it, but I know peppers are one of Blackie's favorite dishes or ingredients, and she is probably truly going to like this.
And it's all organic.
And it's cheese. It's all organic,
Yeah.
probably except for the pepperoni.
All right, I'm set. I think I feel confident with what I have here.
We'll just see how it rolls.
Yeah.
Now the camera needs to move to the other end of the hallway.
So let's do it.
Let's do this. Go, girl. Get Papa's.
눈가락 키스 거라.
Good girl.
아 위치 바꿔놨는데 내가.
Oh, hey, come up.
나쁜데. 작아도 많이.
Blackie. Oh, okay, yeah.
I thought we should eat good. Should've.
Well, you know, it's actually shaped the same way I ate.
Mm-hmm.
You know, because I always leave the best for last.
Oh, is that what
Good
it is?
girl. Oh, she's rolling my plate around the kitchen. I want some more of that.
Well, mine's already clean.
Good girl, Black. You like it? You like it? That's it. Could I get a bigger plate? Hey, we're back. It was a thank you, Blackie. It was an exciting contest. I mean, it run neck and neck. She went to my dish first. I thought I was a sure winner. She ate a little bit, and then she went to Cameron's and finished the whole plate.
Oh, she knew.
But she went back to mine and finished mine as well. So, you know, she kind of eats like me. I guess she's a lot like me. She's my old dog there. So, you know, I know what she likes. And she was saving the best for last.
Saving the best
You know,
for
it's
last.
hard to say who actually won that contest.
Well, how about we make some rules for the next one?
Okay, what do you think?
I think it's whoever's plate is cleanest the first, and that's the obvious winner. What do you guys think?
I like that.
Let them choose. How about that?
I just know the plate was being cleaned. It was rolled around the whole living room by her, you know, licking it.
Yeah.
Just, you know, but, you know, who's the winner? Come back next time. Bye.
Gassonbi. That's what it is.
Gassonbi.
Gassonbi.
Gassonbi. Yeah, perfect. That's perfect. You ready? Hi, I'm Keith Cobra. Welcome back to Casey's Kitchen. Oh no, we don't want to do that now. Cut that. Erase that part of it, right?
You introduce yourself every single time.
Right?
I think they know by now who you are.
Okay, all right. Well, you got a point there.